It's your boy, Nature Boy. Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you guys love Nutella, then you guys will love this protein shake. Here, I'm going to be making a home recipe, 1000 calorie protein shake from using home ingredients only. Now, that's only because I'm stuck here at home and I'm using what I have available. So I'm sure you guys have it too. If you guys are bulking, this is a great way to gain weight. So 1000 calories, you can't eat it through food, no problem, you can get it through the shake. Let's get into the ingredients and let's start. Alright, the first ingredient here is a glass of whole milk, 40 grams of instant oats, 1 banana, 1 scoop of whey protein chocolate, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, not 1 but 2 tablespoons of Nutella, and last but not least 1 tablespoon of chocolate chips. Alright, so a glass of whole milk, which is 250 milliliters, has 8 grams of protein, 12 grams of carbs, 8 grams of fat, and 150 calories. 1 tablespoon of whey protein chocolate is 24 grams of protein, 3 grams of carbs, 1 gram of fat, and a total of 120 calories. If you guys want to know which type of protein I use, it's in the description, link below. We also use 40 grams of instant oats, which has 5 grams of protein, 27 grams of carbs, 3 grams of fats, 4 grams of fiber, and 160 calories. The 1 tablespoon of chocolate chips has about 1 gram of protein, 9 grams of carbs, 5 grams of fats, 1 grams of fiber, and a total of 80 calories. And 1 banana, which always makes any smoothie or shake smooth, contains 1 grams of protein, 24 grams of carbs, 3 grams of fat, and 100 calories. The 2 tablespoons of peanut butter is 8 grams of protein, 6 grams of carbs, 16 grams of fats, 2 grams of fiber, and a total of 200 calories. So pretty much each tablespoon is 100 calories. Alright, 2 tablespoons of Nutella. I mean, look at that Nutella. It's freaking oozing. Anyways, it has 2 grams of protein, 23 grams of carbs, 11 grams of fats, 2 grams of fiber, and a whopping 200 calories. Again, each tablespoon is 100 calories. Alright, now that you put everything together, all you gotta do is blend it. Now, the benefits of this protein shake is that it's high on protein, high on calcium, and is very, very high in essential fats. But the downside here is that there's a lot of sugar because from the chocolate chips and from the Nutella. Now, obviously banana has sugar, a banana has fiber as well, so it doesn't work, your body doesn't digest it the way how it digests Nutella. And obviously banana is a fruit, so you can't compare fruit to, chocolate or things like that. But that's okay because again, we're bulking, we're trying to gain weight. This is okay. We don't want to eat 1000 calories, we want to drink it, which is much easier than eating a whole chicken breast or fish or a big steak in front of you. Alright, let's calculate the total macros for this shake. For protein we have 49 grams, for carbs 104 grams, fats 44 grams, and fiber 12 grams, which gives us a total calories of 1008. So as you guys can see here that it's very high on carbs. It's over 100 grams of carbs as in this just monster shake. But again, it's when you're trying to gain weight. Now if you want to gain more leaner, if you want to reduce the carbs, what I would do is I would either reduce the 1 tablespoon of peanut butter or the 1 tablespoon of Nutella, or just get rid of the chocolate chip, the one tablespoon of chocolate chip, and I will replace that with another scoop of whey protein, meaning that you'll have more protein, less carbs and less fats, and it's more leaner, and it'll bring the protein ratio higher and the carb ratio lower, and it's more leaner that way. Other than that, guys, I mean, this is such a monster drink. It's such a powerful drink. When I drink this, I feel my veins about to pop. I mean, I just feel so energetic after this. And there you have it, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this. If you guys did, please like, comment, and subscribe. Share it with someone that you may find this interesting. And that's about it, guys. I shall see you guys in the next video. See ya.